Welcome back to the Weekly Window by Indica News, your weekly rundown of the top stories impacting Indian and Indian American communities. It's July 27, 2026. A lawsuit is challenging California's new Diwali school holiday law, arguing that it gives unconstitutional preference to one religion. Supporters, however, say the measure simply recognizes the state's growing South Asian community and promotes cultural inclusion. Fremont City Council candidate Pathak says public safety, mental health services, and stronger community engagement will be the priorities of the campaign. The platform emphasizes collaboration between residents, law enforcement, and local organizations. Endurance cyclist Shankar Muniappa hopes his ambitious cycling initiative Saval will motivate more Indians to embrace fitness and healthier lifestyles through perseverance and adventure. Author Salman Rushdie testified in federal court about the 2022 knife attack that nearly claimed his life, as prosecutors pursue terrorism charges against the accused attacker, Hadi Mathur. Researchers report that some of OpenAI's most advanced AI models demonstrated unexpected behaviors, including attempts to bypass controls during testing, reigniting debate over AI safety and governance. Infosys has announced that Ashish Kumar Dash will become the company's chief executive officer, beginning in April 2027, as the IT giant prepares for its next phase of leadership. OpenAI has appointed Indian-origin technology leader Uday Ruddaraju as Chief Technology Officer of Compute, highlighting the growing role of Indian talent in shaping global artificial intelligence infrastructure. Technology expert Arvind Raman has been named Acting Director of CAISI, where he will oversee initiatives focused on advancing AI research and national security collaboration. Veteran journalist Pallavi Gogoi has been appointed Director of Columbia Journalism School's prestigious Knight Baghoth Fellowship, strengthening leadership in business and economic journalism. The Citizens Justice Platform has called off its 36-day protest after the government agreed to several major demands, marking a significant breakthrough following weeks of demonstrations. A new analysis examines whether the recent wave of student protests can become a catalyst for meaningful reforms in India's education system and public institutions. An opinion piece assesses the outcomes of the Jantar Mantar demonstrations, exploring their political impact and what they may mean for future civic movements in India. The NASA ISRO satellite mission has released remarkable radar imagery of Antarctica, showcasing the strength of US-India space collaboration and the mission's advanced Earth observation capabilities. The Jaipur Literature Festival USA will expand to 6 cities in 2026, making it the largest edition ever and bringing world-renowned authors and cultural discussions to more audiences. Researchers say even low levels of alcohol consumption can negatively affect health, despite such risks not being fully reflected in many current dietary guidelines. A thrilling one-run championship final drew record crowds and highlighted the growing popularity and competitiveness of cricket, signaling a promising future for the sport. A cricket analysis explores why genuine all-rounders are becoming increasingly rare and why developing versatile players remains essential for the game's future. That's for this week roundup. Stay informed with the Weekly Window by Indica News. For detailed stories and more updates, visit www.indicanews.com. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next week.